Kung naghahanap ka ng sasakyan na pang negosyo at pang pamilya, stop! Ito na ang pinakasulit. Toyota Tamaraw FX. Matibay, malakas, at kayang kumita. Isang sasakyan, doble ang gamit. At ang tanong, kaya mo ba itong makuha kahit maliit lang ang budget mo? Alamin natin.
At yun na mga sir, another day, another car review na naman tayo. Meron tayong Toyota Tamaraw dito. Okay, so Hilux Toyota Tamaraw pala ito, no? Pag-usapan naman natin kung magkano SRP, magkano monthly, magkano down payment. Pero bago ang lahat, pag-usapan mo natin kung anong specs nito. Let's go!
Engine details, typical Tamaraw FX. Engine code, 2C. Engine type, inline 4, diesel, SOHC. Displacement, 2.0 liter or 1,974 cc. Fuel system, mechanical injection pump. Block material, cast iron, heavy duty. Valves, 8 valves, 2 per cylinder. Engine specs, performance, max power, 69 to 73 HP at 4,600 to 4,700 RPM. Max torque, around 125 to 132 Newton meters at 2,800 to 3,000 RPM. Compression ratio, around 23 to 1. Transmission, manual. Transmission type, 5-speed manual transmission. Drivetrain, rear-wheel drive, RWD. Clutch type, dry single plate. Gear setup, first, pangkargahan, malakas hatak. Second to third, city driving. Fourth to fifth, long drive or tipid diesel. Fuel and efficiency. Fuel type, diesel. Consumption, around 10 to 14 kilometers per liter depende sa load at kondisyon. Tank capacity, around 50 to 60 liters. Estimate typical FX. Ang windshield ng Tamaraw FX ay laminated glass. Ano ibig sabihin nito? May 2 layers ng salamin plus plastic layer sa gitna. Kapag nabasag, hindi ito sabog. Dumidikit ang basag sa plastic, hindi delikado. Iwas hiwa, mas safe sa bangga, hindi agad nabubutas. Overall vehicle dimensions. Overall length, 4,200 to 4,400 millimeters. Overall width, 1,600 to 1,700 millimeters. Overall height, 1,800 to 1,900 millimeters. Wheelbase, 2,300 to 2,400 millimeters. Ground clearance, around 170 to 190 millimeters. Wheel details, wheel type, steel wheels, stock. Matibay at pangharabas, pangnegosyo setup. Hindi madaling mabengkong. Mas mura kesa sa alloy. Easy maintenance. Wheel size, 14-inch, typical stock. Sakto lang para sa comfort, load capacity, tipid sa gulong. Tire size, common, 185R14, 195R14. Upgrade option, makapal sidewall, mas kayang lubak. Ideal sa kargahan at rough roads. Lug pattern, bolt pattern, 5 lug or 5 bolts. Interior dashboard, Tamaraw FX. Simple instrument cluster, speedometer, KPH, fuel gauge, temperature gauge. Basic lang pero kumpleto sa kailangan ng driver. Manual controls, walang digital or touchscreen. Knobs and switches, aircon, lights, whipper. Madaling gamitin. Mahalagang resource walang sabi sa hanay ng hindi masisira. Aircon controls, manual, dial type control, malakas ang buga, lalo na pag maayos ang unit. Basic head unit optional, AM/FM radio, pwede palitan ng modern stereo, Bluetooth or USB. Steering wheel, basic 2 or 3 spoke design, walang controls, simple lang. Storage, glove box, dashboard tray, depende sa variant. Anong meron sa likod? 1. Side-facing bench seats, jump seats. Nakapahaba sa gilid, harap-harapan ang pasahero. Tinatawag na jump seats. kaya maraming sakay kahit compact ang body. 2. Simple cushioned seats, foam plus vinyl, matibay at madaling linisin. Pangnegosyo talaga, UV or shuttle or delivery. 3. Rear aircon, depende sa unit. Maraming FX may dual aircon, front at likod. Malakas buga, importante sa pasahero. 4. Grab handles or handrails, may hawakan sa loob, safety habang umaandar. 5. Flexible space, pwede passenger setup, cargo or delivery, negosyo conversion. 12 to 14-seater. Safety features 2026. 1. Dual SRS airbags, driver plus front passenger. Protection sa banggaan, front impact. Basic pero essential safety. Standard sa karamihan ng variants. 2. ABS, anti-lock braking system. Hindi naglalak ang gulong pag biglang preno. Mas kontrolado ang steering. Iwas skid or semplang. Mas safe sa wet roads. 3. EBD, electronic brake force distribution. Automatic balance ng preno sa harap at likod. Kahit loaded, kahit may sakay or karga, stable pa rin. Pantay ang braking power. 4. Reinforced body or impact beams. May front at side impact beams. Pinalalakas ang katawan ng sasakyan. Protection sa collision. 5. Crash sensor. Nakaka-detect ng impact. Automatic trigger ng safety system like airbags. Mas mabilis response sa accident. 6. Engine warning system. May alert kung may problema ang makina. Nakakatulong maiwasan ang breakdown. Preventive safety feature. 7. Seatbelts 3-point with pre-tensioner. Driver at passenger may pre-tensioner at force limiter. Mas secure sa impact. Standard safety requirement. Fuel consumption 2026. Real world. City driving, traffic or may sakay or karga, 8 to 10 kilometers per liter. Highway or long drive, 10 to 14 kilometers per liter. Mixed driving, average, around 9 to 12 kilometers per liter. Bakit okay sa negosyo? Matipid for its size, pang 12 to 14-seater. Kayang kumita kahit loaded, reliable kahit long drive. At pag-usapan naman natin kung magkano ito. SRP, 1,142,000. Zero down payment. Monthly sa bank, 25,371. At kung naghahanap ka ng car accessories, check nyo lang po sa gilid ng ating video at sa description.
At yun na nga mga sir, ang specs ng ating Hilux Tamaraw FX. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng ganong units, sir, message nyo lang ako dito sir sa 09-2675-26138. At syempre sir, ito yung Facebook page ko. Message nyo ako direct sa Facebook page ko kung gusto nyo ng lower down payment. Makakasahan nyo ako dito mga sir. Dahil may natin. At also sir, huwag nyo pong kalimutan like and share and subscribe ang ating channel para updated ka sa next video. Maraming salamat po. See you!